I'll lose some sales and my boss won't be happy, but I can't stop listening to the sound of two soft voices blended in perfection from the reels of this record that I found. Every day there's a boy in the mirror asking me, what are you doing here? Finding all my previous motives growing increasingly unclear. I've traveled far and I've burned all the bridges I believed as soon as I hit land. All the other options held before me would wither in the light of my plan. So I lose some sales and my boss won't be happy, but there's only one thing on my mind. Searching boxes underneath the counter on a chance that on the tape I'd find a song for someone who needs somewhere to long for. Homesick, 'cause I no longer know where home is.